Your DJI Osmo Pocket may turn on or off when you rotate it, but if this feature doesn't match your workflow, it can be annoying. Many users don't realize you can change this setting in seconds. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to adjust the rotate to power settings on your DJI Osmo Pocket. Let's do it right now. First, turn on your camera, then swipe down to bring the menu option. Next, tap on the gear icon. Here you will see the option called Rotate Screen to Power Off. Now tap on it. Here you will get 3 more options, like Now, 2 seconds, and Never. If you select Now, then it will power when you rotate the screen. And if you select 2 seconds, that means after you rotate the screen, it will count down for 2 seconds, and then the device will power off. And lastly, if you select Never, then it won't power off when you rotate the screen. And that's all. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.